Hey everyone, and welcome to a new series on a 2021 Moto Guzzi V85TT. As always, we can't just let this bike sit pretty in all its stock glory. It's time for modifications. In part 1, we'll show you the process of adding a better air filter and an engine guard to protect that fancy 853cc 90-degree transverse V-twin engine. Grab some popcorn, sit back, and enjoy.
That, so you have to do both sides then.
Never seen a filter held in like that. That's just craziness. The biggest benefit in an engine like this is it just makes it easier to breathe. The engine will rev faster. It doesn't do much on a dyno. It just makes life easier on the engine. The guy that plays Bruce's son, is that actually related? Well, this has got to go back. It'll be a problem. Ta-da.
See
Already scratched.
Whoa! All that packing.
To know what's fake. Don't listen to misinformation. It's the reason for all this mistrust.
There wasn't much to both these installations. For more information on the Moto Guzzi V85TT adventure, check out our description on a few more bike specs. Make sure to leave a comment, and definitely don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications on future videos. As always, thanks for watching. Ride safe.